Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have new guest, she is Shivarchana from Koti Women's College pursuing her applied nutrition. So, hello ma'am.
Hello, sir. Thank you for inviting me, sir.
Yeah.
I have some questions regarding nutrition, so can you clarify it, sir?
Yes ma'am, I'll clear all your doubts related to nutrition today, definitely ma'am.
Very good position by pursuing nutrition. Can you differentiate between the public health, clinical nutrition, and sports, sir?
Yes ma'am, so in public health nutrition, it is completely related to community and also it is related to Anganwadi supervisor, okay fine. So whereas in clinical nutrition, it is completely related to hospitals. So we can work in hospitals and in public health, it is related to Anganwadi supervisor and even in the community. Whereas in complete sports nutrition, it is related to working with the sportsmen, athletes and everything. So this is the difference for three criteria. So today I will be giving you a clarity regarding the difference in the internships. So we have three types, which is clinical nutrition internships. In clinical nutrition internships, you can work in hospitals, which means you can do internships in hospitals and healthcare. Whereas if you are looking for like sports nutrition internships, you can do in the sports academies as well as you can do work with the athletes as well. Here it is mainly in the Bangalore side, which is very famous. And so in public health nutrition, you can work in communities as well as you can work in Anganwadi supervisor as a Anganwadi supervisor. So these are all the opportunities.
As I'm pursuing BSc now, so what was the secondary sources of income, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Regarding secondary source of income, like you can start your own platform in Instagram, okay, and also do the promotions related. So like doing reels and related to nutrition related reels and plan it, ma'am. Okay, fine. This is a good option for secondary source of income, and also there are multiple clinics who give part-time jobs. So this is also an opportunity for nutrition students where they can also plan in nutrition clinics. So these are the opportunities.
As you are into business, if I want to start a business in future, so can you share your suggestions, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I'll share many suggestions. So first is like you can start your own nutrition business where like it can be an healthcare or you can start it through online as well. Like a small through a website by building a website or else by doing promotions in Instagram. You can start a small nutrition business. Later on, you can do it little bit. Okay, fine. So this is like a good opportunities because you can also plan for a nutrition based healthy restaurant as well if you are having a good budget with you, and you can also plan for nutrition recipes, product development. So there are many opportunities related to this. So this is a good opportunity for you in case you are planning in future, you can definitely plan a nutrition business.
Sir, thank you, sir. This was really very helpful, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for coming.